Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Samsung Smart TV to Wi-Fi with SmartThings, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by ensuring your Samsung Smart TV is powered on and connected to your home network. Download and open the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Create a SmartThings account if you don't have one already, or log in to your existing account. Make sure your smartphone is connected to the same Wi-Fi network that you want your TV to connect to. On the SmartThings app, tap the plus icon to add a device. Select device from the list of options. Scroll down and choose TV. Select Samsung from the list of TV brands. The app will search for available devices. Once your TV appears, tap on it. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect your TV to the app. When prompted, select your Wi-Fi network from the list. Enter the Wi-Fi password when prompted. Wait for the SmartThings app to establish a connection between your TV and the Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you will see a confirmation message on your smartphone. Your Samsung Smart TV is now connected to Wi-Fi. You can now access streaming services and other features available through your Smart TV. Explore the SmartThings app for additional settings and options to customize your TV experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.